they were going to do it up here on the poorly installed start to feel closer. I fixed it. I just preloaded it, gave it a lot more preload, and it magically fixed it. I didn't feel like messing with the hinge, so I just preloaded it and I adjusted it. I adjusted the sweep and latch and also the back check. So I adjusted all the valves. I gave this closer a little bit of back check because I don't like people to throw it. People could throw it up when it slams, so I just gave it a little back check. Like for instance, if I push it, see, doesn't go all the way against the wall. There's the adjustments. Exit yes. It does. See before it hit on the frame and it would do this. It wouldn't latch, but now it closes completely. Do it again. Like this. Just do it the final time. And that would be what we don't forget. So hold open. So hold open. So close the door. Some ways that's